This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Dodge Caravan oil change, updated. Turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine and press the odometer button until the service menu appears. Use the menu or steering wheel controls to find the oil change reminder and press, and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off and back on to confirm the message is cleared and check the instrument cluster. Start by gathering basic items like a soft cloth and the owner manual to follow prompts precisely. While the vehicle is parked in park with the parking brake engaged, keep the ignition in RUN position and avoid opening doors that might change the menu. If your vehicle uses a touchscreen, use the display arrows and OK button to select the oil service reset option and follow on-screen confirmations carefully. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, the product seen here makes life easier. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a simple solution for busy garages and lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy tools that save time while you work on your vehicle. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the reset will not take because the ignition sequence was incorrect, the button was released too soon, or the vehicle has stored service codes that block the change. If the message persists, clear any active service codes with an OBD2 scanner before attempting the reset again, or consult your dealer for deeper diagnostics. Always verify oil level and service history after resetting the reminder to avoid missing real maintenance needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.